How to fix spell check not working on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on general management. From here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. At the top here, tap on languages and types. Now make sure you select the English language US or English UK. Any other languages, your spell check may not work correctly. You can tap on manage input languages and choose English or English UK. Now then we go back. So now that we have set the correct language, go back and check for auto spell check. Make sure it is turned on. If it's turned off, then it will not work. Okay, after that, if you do not see auto spell check appear in here, make sure you turn on predictive text. If predictive text is off, then auto spell check will be missing as well. Okay, so make sure you turn it on. Okay, after that, go back to your text and see if you got now auto spell check showing. If it does not show your spell check, then what we can do is we can try to clear the keyboard cache. Sometimes the keyboard can have an issues, so we're going to swipe down and go into settings. In settings, tap on apps, and in apps we want to look for Samsung keyboard. So I will now choose show system apps and then tap on OK, and then I'll use the search button and I'll key in keyboard. So here we got Samsung keyboard, tap on it. Then we scroll down and tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache or even clear data. You see if that helps. So go back to your notes or messages and check your keyboard to see now if it's show wrong spelling when you type in. Okay, so when you type in, it should show a red underline to indicate that your spelling is wrong. If it still does not work, maybe you can try to restart your device. Sometimes restarting the device may help fix some cache issues. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.